In this quick lesson, we're going to go through a few examples of social media links and how we can view those on an iPad and iPhone using Reader View and Safari. Let's start in Twitter. If I tap on the link to this article, its web page opens, but we remain in the Twitter app. The page is not opened in your Safari web browser, but this offers a limited version of Safari that includes Reader View. We're able to view this page in Reader View with a tap on the pair of A's up here. We can do the same on the iPhone. Opening this page in Reader View is going to get rid of all the ads and other clutter and just let me read the article. Notice that we can also adjust the font size from here or even change the background color. Choosing a darker background can be great if you're reading this in a dark room. If I switch the iPad into dark mode, the Twitter interface will respond and gets a dark gray background. But the page that this article is on retains its bright white background. So activating Reader View and then adjusting the background color and font size can really make reading this article more pleasant. In the upper right of the display, a Safari button is shown that will actually jump me out to the full Safari app and open this web page. This button is displayed in the lower right over on the iPhone. Now let's head into Facebook and tap on a link there. Again, it opens a web page within the Facebook app, but this one doesn't offer Reader View from this interface. So in this instance, we need to get this into our Safari app to have Reader View as an option. From this Facebook interface, we need to tap on the ellipsis button down here, then choose Open in Browser. This refers to the default browser on your device. For me, that's going to be Safari. Tap and we're moved into the full Safari app, and that article is opened as a new tab. Tap the Reader button above to view just the content of the article. So when you're opening links in social media apps, or even other apps like News, remember that the web pages are not opened in your full Safari web browser. But depending on what app you originate from, Reader View may be an option, and if not, you can always jump out directly into Safari. You can learn more about using Safari for iOS and Mac at themacu.com. Thanks for watching.